Have you ever wondered why window cleaning with the UNGER pure water system is so much safer? It's simple really, because with the UNGER pressure water system, you always work safely from the ground. All this without the risks involved in working on a ladder. You can achieve brilliant cleaning results without the risk of falling. Without having to work to balance yourself, you can concentrate fully on the cleaning. You reduce the dangers not only to yourself but also to others, such as from falling tools. Another plus point is the safe handling that you can achieve thanks to the ergonomic shape of the precision grip pole. With the N-Light carbon composite pole, which can be extended up to 6 meters, you can clean safely without the modules rotating. The N-Light power brush connects directly to your telescopic pole. This means you only have one cleaning tool in your hand and you do not have to handle several at the same time as in the past. Demineralised water guarantees absolutely streak-free and brilliant cleaning results. With the UNGER pressure water cleaning system, window cleaning is easier. That's a promise. Make an appointment for a consultation today to find out more. Click here.